You.
Ouch!
You could have had everything you ever wanted. Everything I ever wanted. And you still went out of your way to take everything I had left in the process. You entitled brat. You expect me to sit idly by and keep smiling, as if nothing ever happened. I'm smiling all right. Grinning, ear to ear. Don't even start with that following order schlock. You knew what you were doing all too well. Sure took your sweet time. Enjoyed every last of it. Good. Excellent. Even. I'd well merely return the favor. And you bet, I will be enjoying every last moment of this. The best part? I get to do this over and over again. You come back. I won't know. And I will be waiting ... You have no one to blame but yourself. You're in a hell of your own making. And you're never getting out. What is it this time?